Hi, everyone. This is team three. The members of the team is Ashley Edwards, Marcos Cardenas, and Margarita Garza Salinas, and Celia Correa. In this unit, we will be discussing Horizon Report K-12 2015 edition, ISTE teacher standards on an online test and assessment. Teachers design, develop, and evaluate reliable learning experience and assessments, incorporating up-to-date tools and resources to maximize content of learning. This is done to develop the knowledge and skills identified in the standards.
Good, thank you, Celia.
The Horizon report also talked about designing and developing digital age learning experiences and assessments. We're going to go through 4 contemporary tools that you can use, the first being makerspaces, which are informal workshop environments with hands-on activities, as well as online learning, which could include test prep and AP courses. Virtual learning, an example of that would be Google Expedition. Artificial intelligence would be the final one, which includes personalized learning experiences.
So to design and develop digital age learning experiences, we found that there was tools that were assistive for the assessment process. So in the makerspaces that Marco mentioned, the way to assess that would be student portfolios and performance tasks. A way to complete the online learning coursework can be completed anywhere. So it doesn't matter, you can be in a different state, you can be in a different building, you can be, if you're homebound, if you're a homebound student, you can do that from anywhere. Virtual reality allows the students to immerse themselves in that simulated world, and they get to investigate more core educational facts. And an example of that would be like if they wanted to investigate something about the rainforest, virtual reality will let them actually experience themselves in the rainforest, which is an actually cool idea. And the last one that we investigated was artificial intelligence. They become part of the assessment instead of just taking the assessment. It allows them to be in the moment instead of just like in classroom, which is vital for students.
Excellent, thank you. Then we have some assessments and evaluations that, according to the Glossary of Education Reform, we can refer as an assessment is a tool that the person used to evaluate, measure, and document the academic readiness, the learning process, the skill acquisition, or educational needs of a student, with the main purpose of provide information that can drive the learning teaching process and address certain needs, interests, or just to provide specific information that we're looking for. On those assessments and evaluation, we find some of the Flickrs, which is a great tool. Then we have Poll Everywhere. Here is simultaneously, and people can use iOS, Android. It can be an iPhone, computer. It works everywhere. Then we also find the one that most teachers use, Edmodo. They can add a poll, a quiz. You can put homework, videos. All the information is private for the student. And SurveyMonkey, that is the one that most people use even in companies, not only related to the educational system. And one that I really enjoy, especially for lower grades like pre-K, K first, I think it's very, very good for them. It's very visual, is Kahoot. It's fun, it's interactive, and it's very dynamic. They have fun with that. As a conclusion, we continue to explore different models of technology and ways to assess students. We need to understand that one size doesn't fit all. And because of technology and how technology moves, everything is changing. And we have to continue with the process. Finally, some of the best points reflected in our research is that integrating the technology into the teaching and learning process is that we need to rethink the role of the teacher and as well think on that proper trainings that the teacher needs to get all these tools. They need to be exposed to using a variety of technology and programs and start seeing more as a learning tool and part of that process. Thank you so much. This is Unit 2, Team 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.